Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Thursday, January the 31st, 2013. We're looking at the Milan Index today, ticker symbol MIB if you're wondering. And what we're looking at here is a overall chart pattern that's getting overextended, and we've been watching this for a while, looking for this to break down. We believe that's happening now. And this is important because this is the first chart of the several that we're watching for you guys. This is when it starts to break down. It'll, one doesn't happen all by itself. They all start to fall at the same time period. So keep that in mind. We've been watching this for a while because we noticed that the ultimate oscillator shows momentum moving to the downside here. Note the high point here, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. We're actually just trending down here. At the same time period on the chart and price activity, we can see that we've been just climbing higher. That is a bearish divergence, meaning that this move right here is unsustainable and will break down. And when it breaks, it does so quickly. You'll notice here when we're talking about breaking down, what we're talking about its chart pattern is starting to break previous support. So you can see they had a support point here. We jump up here, we hit a high, we pull back, we hit a high, we pull back, we hit a high, we pull back, we hit another high. Every single one of these is higher series of highs, higher series of lows again and again. So this is right. And then we come down here and we take out the previous low point here. So we've now made a lower low. That means if the next bounce even could end tomorrow, but if we continue this little bounce here and fail to take out previous high, we're going to have a series of lower highs and lower lows. This will be a lower, which will be a high point here. Next one will be lower, and then this low point, and this one here is already lower. So we're looking at a downtrend developing right here, and that means we start shorting. And we start looking for sell opportunities. We stay out of the market on the long side, and that's important because you're going to see this developing on many different markets out there. I've actually already marked two of them today. One, I believe, was the Hong Kong Hang Seng Index. I would already be shorting that one, and then the NASDAQ, as far as if we get confirmation tomorrow, I'd start shorting that one as well. If you've not been to the free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free, and all we ask in return, please refer a friend. Also, those charts that I told you that we had already marked as being, one's already a sell signal, and then the other one we would sell if it were confirmed tomorrow. Those charts are kept on our homepage. You can go there and check out the short-term or long-term pictures of either of those charts, as well as my stop loss limits and so forth and so on. Okay? God bless, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.